Hey there, running enthusiasts! Are you tired of bulky fitness trackers that slow you down? Do you crave a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle and helps you achieve your fitness goals? The world of running watches is constantly evolving, with each new release pushing the boundaries of innovation. Today, we'll be diving deep into the Garmin Forerunner 255, a GPS smartwatch that promises to revolutionize your running experience. Get ready to discover how this cutting-edge device can elevate your training, enhance your performance, and empower you to run farther and faster than ever before. Let's lace up and explore the exciting world of the Garmin Forerunner 255. The Garmin Forerunner 255 is more than just a fitness tracker. It's your dedicated training partner, providing all the tools and insights you need to optimize your runs and crush your personal best. This high-performance GPS smartwatch is designed specifically for runners of all levels, from beginners to seasoned marathoners. With its advanced features, sleek design, and user-friendly interface, the Forerunner 255 seamlessly integrates into your training regimen, becoming an indispensable part of your running journey. Whether you're aiming to improve your speed, track your distance, monitor your heart rate, or analyze your sleep patterns, the Forerunner 255 has you covered. Get ready to experience the future of running with the Garmin Forerunner 255. Comfort is paramount when it comes to running watches, and the Garmin Forerunner 255 excels in this department. The lightweight design ensures that you'll barely notice it on your wrist even during long runs. The watch features a soft, flexible silicone band that conforms comfortably to your wrist, preventing any chafing or irritation. Navigating the watch's features is a breeze thanks to its intuitive button interface, which allows for easy access to all the essential functions, even when you're on the move. The Forerunner 255 is also built to withstand the rigors of intense training sessions. Its durable construction and water-resistant design make it the perfect companion for all your running adventures, rain or shine. With the Forerunner 255 on your wrist, you can focus on what matters most, your run. The Garmin Forerunner 255 boasts a vibrant high-resolution color display that makes it easy to view your stats at a glance even in bright sunlight. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, ensuring its durability and resistance to scratches and impacts. But what truly sets the Forerunner 255 apart is its exceptional battery life. With up to 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, and up to 30 hours in GPS mode, this watch can keep up with even the most demanding training schedules. Compared to other smartwatches on the market, the Forerunner 255's battery life is truly remarkable, allowing you to go for days without needing to recharge. Say goodbye to battery anxiety, and hello to uninterrupted training with the Forerunner 255. Section 5. Unleash your potential with advanced performance metrics. The Garmin Forerunner 255 is packed with advanced performance features designed to help you train smarter and achieve your running goals. The built-in multi-band GPS ensures precise tracking of your pace, distance, and route, providing you with accurate data to analyze your performance. The watch goes beyond basic tracking with features like VO2 max estimation, which provides insights into your cardiovascular fitness level. The HRV status feature monitors your heart rate variability, giving you a better understanding of your overall well-being and recovery status. Whether you're a seasoned runner aiming to improve your race times or a beginner looking to track your progress, the Forerunner 255 empowers you with the data and insights you need to take your training to the next level. Section 6. Prioritizing your health and safety on and off the track. The Garmin Forerunner 255 is more than just a running watch. It's a comprehensive health and safety companion that keeps you connected and protected around the clock. The watch features 24/7 heart rate monitoring, allowing you to track your heart rate throughout the day, even during rest. The body battery feature provides insights into your energy levels, helping you optimize your training and recovery time. Safety is also paramount, and the Forerunner 255 offers features like incident detection and assistance, which can send your real-time location to emergency contacts in case of an accident. With the Live Track feature, you can share your location with loved ones during your runs, providing them with peace of mind. the Forerunner 255 empowers you to prioritize your health and safety, both on and off the track. Section 7. Real-world performance. Putting the Forerunner 255 to the test. I put the Garmin Forerunner 255 through its paces in various real-world scenarios, from casual runs in the park to intense trail runs. The watch consistently delivered accurate GPS tracking, even in challenging environments with dense tree cover. The heart rate monitor was reliable and provided consistent readings throughout my workouts. I was particularly impressed with the watch's battery life. It easily lasted for multiple days on a single charge, even with regular GPS use. The Forerunner 255 seamlessly integrated with my smartphone, providing me with notifications and allowing me to control my music without interrupting my workouts. Overall, the Forerunner 255 exceeded my expectations in terms of performance, comfort, and battery life. Section 8. Weighing the pros and cons. Is the Forerunner 255 right for you? Pros: lightweight and comfortable design, intuitive button interface, crystal clear color display, exceptional battery life, advanced performance metrics like VO2, max and HRV status, comprehensive health and safety features, and accurate GPS tracking. Cons: limited smartwatch features compared to some competitors, and it may be too feature-rich for casual runners. Comparison with similar smartwatches. The Forerunner 255 faces stiff competition from other popular smartwatches like the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. While these watches offer a wider range of smartwatch features, the Forerunner 255 excels in terms of battery life, sports tracking accuracy, and specialized running metrics. Ultimately, the best smartwatch for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Section 9. The verdict: your ultimate running companion. The Garmin Forerunner 255 is an outstanding GPS smartwatch that caters specifically to the needs of runners. Its lightweight design, comfortable fit, and intuitive interface make it a joy to use, while its advanced performance metrics, exceptional battery life, and comprehensive health and safety features make it an invaluable training partner. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting your running journey, the Forerunner 255 provides the tools and insights you need to take your training to the next level. If you're serious about running and looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Garmin Forerunner 255 is a worthy investment. Ready to unleash your full potential? Check out the Garmin Forerunner 255 and experience the future of running.